Good morning, everybody. It is morning, yep. I got 20 past 11 on April 9. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Okay. Supposed to be up in the 70s today. So we're gonna take Blue for a little spin. Get the oil all mixed up. We don't know where we're going, so.
That's our plan of actions for every ride that we have, that we never know where we're going.
Yeah. So stay tuned. Well, we got some of the farmland. Beautiful view out that way. And some of the land is plowed, some of it's not. They're just starting to get the grounds ready for the planting season. We've been here a year now and it's still beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, here's our view. Cool. Pretty soon we'll be able to see anything because the leaves will be on the trees. Ooh, I'm a poet. Like I said earlier, this never gets old. There's so many beautiful roads. We could have been on this one, but we don't know. Some things look familiar, some things don't. But according to the GPS, it's going to take us right to the Allegheny River, I believe. Okay. Narrow bridge. Well, that's what the sign said. I just gone. This is cool. Whee! There's the Allegheny. Well, think we can jump it?
No.
Oh, okay. I'll just see how crazy you were going to be.
Yeah. I'm not the one crazy thinking about it.
Oh! Okay. More nice scenery. We don't know where we're going because it's just, if we take a right, we'll end up at the river and there's no exit, so we'll have to try this way and see where it takes us. Looks like the road washed out over here.
Eek.
Wow. Yep, I think it did. Well, it wouldn't be one of our adventures if we didn't come onto a dirt or gravel, whatever you want to call this stuff. Seems like we always hit one. Well, this should bring us to the river.
And there it is.
There it is. Back on the river. And right across the river you see probably miles and miles of railroad cars. Everybody's summer home, summer cottages. Oh, I forgot.
Homes.
Who's waving at our neighbor? Okay, home sweet home.
No, sweet home.